Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Millionaires. I'm Brian, your go-to source for breaking news and in-depth analysis on everything XRP and crypto. Today we're diving into one of the most electrifying weeks XRP has seen in a long time. A week marked by regulatory breakthroughs, price surges, and bold predictions that could reshape the future of digital assets. Let's jump right into the headline that's setting the crypto world on fire. The U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission has officially approved not one, not two, but 3 XRP futures ETFs from ProShares. This is more than just a new investment product. This is a major signal of mainstream validation for Ripple's native token. The 3 new funds include the Ultra XRP ETF, which offers 2x leverage and long exposure, a short XRP ETF for those looking to hedge or bet against the price, and an ultra-short XRP ETF with 2x leveraged short exposure. These ETFs are launching today, April 30th, which means institutional and retail investors in the U.S. can now gain XRP exposure directly through traditional brokerage accounts. No more wrestling with wallets or exchanges if you don't want to. This approval is a monumental step, coming after years of back and forth between Ripple and the SEC. It looks like the tides are turning. Not just for Ripple, but for the entire digital asset space. The implications? Far-reaching, mainstream acceptance, massive institutional access. And according to many analysts, the possibility that we could see discussions on a spot XRP ETF in the near future. Now let's talk numbers. XRP is on a tear. The token surged over 7% this week alone, outpacing most major cryptocurrencies. Just look at the technicals. Since mid-April, XRP has steadily climbed, blasting through the 50,100 and 200-day exponential moving averages. These levels are now acting as powerful support, and the asset keeps pressing closer to the upper limit of a long-term descending trend line. The all-important psychological level of $3 is within sight, and analysts are setting interim breakout targets at $2.40 and $2.60. As I'm recording this, XRP is trading around $2.29, with momentum building and the relative strength index still beneath overbought levels. That means there's real room for further upside. But here's what's really interesting. Trader sentiment right now is overwhelmingly bullish. Data from CoinGlass and Polymarket show a nearly 3-to-1 long-to-short ratio in XRP perpetuals. In simple terms, that means for every trader betting on a drop, there are 3 betting on a rise. On Polymarket, the most popular bet is that XRP will reach $2.40 before April ends, a target well within striking distance. Options traders on Deribit, who are usually more conservative, also expect XRP to close April within the $2.23 to $2.70 range. All of these signs are pointing to growing confidence and potentially explosive price action. What's fueling this optimism beyond just the ETF news? Let's put it in context. Ripple's legal clarity has removed a major cloud over XRP, opening the door to institutional adoption and partnerships in the U.S. Financial institutions have long valued XRP for its rapid settlement times and low fees, features that set it apart from other cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Now, with regulated investment products on the market, billions of dollars from traditional finance could flow into XRP. In fact, some commentators think we're about to see the beginning of a literal new era for cross-border payments and digital asset settlement. And the bullish catalysts don't stop there. Rumors are swirling about possible tax reform that could increase American disposable income, creating yet another potential inflow into crypto markets. Some analysts argue that by 2025, XRP could be poised not just for sustained rallies, but for price discovery and historic highs. Will XRP reach $10 by the end of the year? That's the big question on everyone's mind. While it's impossible to predict the future, the combination of ETF approval, bullish technicals, and fresh regulatory clarity makes this scenario more plausible than ever before. One thing's certain, the market is watching XRP closely, and every new development raises the stakes. So what do you think? Is XRP ready to lead the next crypto bull run? Will the ETF launch trigger a wave of institutional adoption? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I'm always eager to hear from the crypto millionaires community. If you found this update helpful and want to stay ahead of the curve on all things XRP, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another breaking update. And hey, share this video with your fellow crypto enthusiasts. Thanks for watching. I'm Brian, and I'll see you in the next one.